Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Val. My name's Val and I make unboxing videos here on YouTube. And today's video is Mindful Souls. So Mindful Souls is one of my favorite subscription boxes to unbox here on YouTube. And I started my subscription in December of 2022, so it's almost been a whole year since I've been subscribed to Mindful Souls, and I'm excited to continue my Mindful Souls journey of unboxing their videos. Let's go ahead and open the box. So this is a box, and it always says, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. So I'm excited. It smells good, so there's definitely something that smells good in here. So this is the information card, and this has all the products that you will receive. I receive about 5 to 7 products a box, and I know they have another box where I believe you can receive more than 7 products. So I'm going to kind of look at what we have. And I think I'm kind of excited maybe about what we have, but I don't know. Okay. And then we always get an affirmation. So every month they send an affirmation. And the affirmations are really spot on in my opinion. So this, okay. Affirmation for relationships. All my relationships are now loving and harmonious. I love that. I think that is a great affirmation for this month. And then we always get a sticker. I love getting stickers from them. I like this. This is really pretty. So this says enjoy every moment, and it just wrapped around flowers and on a pink background. So I love this sticker. I might have to put it on my laptop or put it on my water bottle, which I don't really do. All their stickers, I'll be honest with you, I haven't put anywhere except for one I had to put on my laptop. It's just, I like all the stickers and I don't want to like put it on. I want to make sure where I stick the sticker, it is perfect. I don't want to just stick it somewhere. I just want to make sure, you know, it has the right home. And then the next item we see are these natural handmade Sal Tube Tibetan rope incense. I've never had these before. I'm not sure how they work, so I'm gonna have to learn. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this box down. The next item is in here. It feels like a bracelet, so I feel that every month I've gotten a bracelet so far, and they have really nice bracelets. I'm actually wearing 2 of them right now. This is one of my favorite of their bracelets. I'll go ahead and show you just because we're here. But this is one of my favorite bracelets. I believe it was the blue gold stone, and it's just pretty sparkly. And when this, when light's hitting it, you can, I don't know if you can see from the ring light, but you can see the blue and the gold stone. And then I'm wearing another one of their bracelets. And this one's also really pretty. I think I got this one in my last box. So this is another bracelet. I want to hold it up to the light and see if I see anything. So it's kind of got some blue, and it's pretty much black. It's a black and it's got some blue in it. The next item, it feels really small. Oh, this is pretty. So this is what this is. And on the inside, you can kind of just see the crystals and where it was sliced. Okay, what's next? It is dusty in the box. Yeah, this is pretty. This is I kind of have a necklace that they gave me, like, from another box like this. Let's see, how does this one work? Oh, is it like a little stack, kind of? So this is a necklace, and I think it's kind of a layered necklace. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be a little layered necklace, and it just looks, it's a pink little quartz, rectangle kind of thing, rectangle shaped. So I'm guessing kind of like this. No, but I don't like chokers, so maybe just. Honestly, I'm not sure how to wear this one. It's kind of got an odd chain. So this is the necklace though. Okay. Now the next item, what's a little keychain? Just a little keychain. Just an amethyst keychain. It's pretty. I can probably put that on my keys. And then the last item is a bath bomb. When it says, that's what it says on the little information card. I'm not going to open it, but it smells really good. I don't really take baths, so I'm not sure if I'll use it. And that is everything that I got into my box. So now let's go ahead and turn you all to my wall, and we'll go ahead and, actually no, let's not do the wall today. I'm gonna let y'all decide in the comments if you like me turning you around and going through the products individually or the items individually. If not, then, or just let me know in the comments down below which method you prefer, either turning around to the wall, going through each product individually, or just kind of going like this and I'll just read the product and hold it up for you. So first we'll start with the rose quartz necklace, and it just says, "It is a perfect healing necklace you have been looking for. With its soft pink colors, it is sure to soothe your heart and emit love to those around you. When you hold rose quartz stones while meditating or wear it as jewelry, it surrounds you with a sphere of energy which activates and balances the heart chakra. Love is the most powerful energy, which makes rose quartz one of the most beneficial stones for healing and flooding the body with positive energy." The next item is the blue tiger's eye bracelet. So if you can see that blue in there, then that is the blue tiger's eye. And it just says blue tiger is a very soothing stone as it aids in reducing stress, increasing calm and easing anxiety. Blue tiger eye helps to open, clear, and align the mid to higher range chakras, which will assist in speaking with clarity and acting from a place of integrity. The next item is the bath bomb with rose quartz. It says, "A change to relax and reconnect you with yourself, a richly colored and creamy love spell handcrafted just for you. This balm contains a rose quartz and the beautiful blooming scent of a rose. Ingredients: sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, vegetable essential oil, grapeseed oil, shea butter, dried flower, sodium lauryl alcohol, polyether sulfate, basic white." And it smells so good. Like I said, I don't really take baths, but I might have to just take a bath just to use this bath bomb. So I'm excited to use this. Okay. The next item is the amethyst stone keychain, and it says, "Amethyst is known to calm and bring clarity to the mind, to relieve stress, soothe sadness, anger, and anxiety, and balance mood swings. It helps us to focus and stimulates motivation, concentration, and memory. Amethyst is believed to ease stress and insomnia, promoting peaceful sleep. Rubbed against the forehead, it eases headaches and releases tension. Amethyst is a very powerful stone, therefore it is a really good idea to carry one in the pocket wherever you go." Natural geode is the next item. So I don't know if you want to see this way or this way, but I can kind of just try and circle it around. So it says natural geode. Geodes are a type of natural rock formation that contains a cavity lined with crystals or another type of mineral matter. They are formed as a hollow bubble inside of a layer of rock which was created by volcanic forces or chemical precipitation. Geodes can help communicate with divine beings and assist in creating better moods, balances, and energies that can help with meditation, stress, and decision making. And the last product that we got here is the Tibetan rope incense. And it says, For centuries, Tibetan rope incense was used to release stress, sadness, and tension. It is made by monks living in monasteries and is prepared in the monastic orders of Tibet tradition. You can burn rope incense by laying it flat on a bed of sand, which allows the entire rope to burn safely and completely, or use a rope incense burner. So I might have to do it on a bed of sand, because I don't have a rope incense burner. Or maybe I have to look for one. I don't know. Okay. So that was everything that I got in my Mindful Souls October 2023 box. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you can support my channel and see more Mindful Souls unboxings, or just more unboxings in general. And leave a comment down below if you prefer me turning my camera to the wall and looking at the information card that way, or how I just did right now. And I will see y'all next time. Bye everyone.